Good morning, ninth class. Today we are going to start first chapter of bio, that is cells, basic unit of life. First topic of this chapter is cell theory. So what is the first point of cell theory is all living organisms are made up of cells. The cell is the basic unit of life in all living things. All cells come from existing cells. This is important because it shows that all living things share a similar structure. There are two types of cells. First is prokaryotic and second one is eukaryotic. Prokaryotic cells are those which don't have well-defined nucleus, nuclear membrane, and their organelles are not membrane-bound structures. Eukaryotic cells are those which having well-defined nucleus and very developed nuclear membrane and it having membrane bound organelles. All cells, whether they are prokaryotic or eukaryotic, are sharing some common features. Organelles. Organelles are structures that enable the cell to live, grow and reproduce. There are different types of organelles which are found in cell which are performing different functions so that cell can live easily, grow and reproduce. Two types of cells. The further detail of the two type of cells is prokaryotic cell. It have no membrane covered nucleus, have no membrane covered organelles, have a circular DNA. Examples of prokaryotic cells are bacteria. The picture of prokaryotic cell bacteria is shown here. Next type is eukaryotic, as we discussed earlier also. It having a well defined nucleus, it having a membrane covered organelles, the DNA is in a linear form and it is basically found in all types of organisms except bacteria. Next topic is cell membrane. Actually the membrane acting as a wall, that's why it is also known as cell membrane. It is the outer layer of cell. It allows nutrients into the cell and waste outside of the cell. It acts like a gate into the city. Next topic is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, it is a jelly-like fluid which contained in the cell that holds the organelle in a fixed position. First topic, nucleus. It controls the center of the cell. It contains cell's DNA. Next organelle is mitochondria. It is also known as power center of the cell or powerhouse of the cell. It provides energy to the cell which needs to move and divide, etc. It is also known as electric company of the cell. Next organelle is ribosomes. Ribosomes performing function to form proteins. That's why they are also known as protein factories. Cell parts are made up of proteins. Next is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is an organelle which is found near to nucleus and the function is transportation system of a cell. It is of two types, rough ER and smooth ER. Rough ER means it contains ribosomes and a smooth ER, a type of endoplasmic reticulum where ribosomes are not present. It acts as a roadways of the cell so that the materials can transfer from nucleus to the cytoplasm. Next organelle is Golgi complex. It acts as a packaging house of the cell, packages, processes and ships out the stuff the cell makes. Whatever cell make material, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus help to pack that material and ship to outside the cytoplasm. It is also known as UPS of the cell. Next one is lysosomes. Lysosome is a kind of organelle which digests food particles and cell parts. Lysosome is also known as garbage man, where the materials which are not needed by the cell is digested or break down. It protects cell by digesting foreign invaders. That's why it acts as a policeman also. Next organelle, that is vacuole. Vacuole stores water, food and waste. Vacuole can be of different size. In a plant cell it is of large size and in an animal cell it is of small size. If a vacuole is containing water, then the plant looks very young, very fresh. If the vacuole loses water, the plant become shrink. Next topic, that is cell organelle, cell wall. Cell wall is present only in plant cell. It protects and support the cell. Chloroplast is the next one organelle which is found in plant cell. It is found in plant cell only. It contains chlorophyll, makes plant green, where photosynthesis takes place. Next topic, that is plant or animal cell. The differences are mentioned here. Plant and animal cell, they have common features. They having nucleus, they having Golgi complex, they having mitochondria, lysosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, cell membrane, ribosomes and vacuoles. Some structures which are not found in animal cells are chloroplast and cell wall. These two structures are basically found in plant cell only. Thank you.